We want these split ends gone, you know what I mean? Hey besties, it's Becca and we have a very exciting video, okay? When I seen it, I was like, oh my gosh. I picked up Fenty Hair by Rihanna. I know. I'm so excited to try it because everyone talks about it, how amazing it is. They just released it not too long ago and I finally got my hands on it and I spent a pretty penny on it. So it better be worth the hype and the buck. Let's get into the video right now. I only use Wella products on my hair, like when it comes to like shampoo, conditioner, mask, and everything like that. Like even hair dye, toners. It's my go-to brand that I love using on my hair. But I figured we can switch it up because, I mean, not everyone is a fan of Wella. People like to see options. So this is what's hot right now, okay? This is what's hot. If you guys don't know, Rihanna has a brand also with makeup. It's called Fenty Beauty. And they're like the bouge of everyone raving about, okay? Now, I've never tried any Fenty Beauty like makeup products, but I've always wanted to. I haven't come across like anything that really intrigues me in like my hand reach to grab. I don't ever go to Sephora. Like I'm not like a bougie person like that. But I do think that they start selling like Fenty Beauty makeup products in like Winners and like Marshalls. So that's really nice and it's usually more affordable. I don't want to spend a ton of money on a foundation. Like, hello, I use Rimmel. Is that what it's called? Like even like Fit Me foundation. Like I am just always, I like to look good, but like saving money. A thing about me is like, sure, I'll use cheap products on my face for like makeup, but I will try to not cheap out on my hair. So we got 3 bottles here. I bought them from Winners and they're pretty pricey, but I already know they're way less expensive than if you were buying them like on their website or anywhere else because it's Winners. So this is the first one I got. This is like a conditioning spray, the Water Boy. Whatever that, I don't know what that means. So Reparative leave-in conditioner spray, which I thought was like really interesting because I love a good conditioning spray. Actually, you guys are never gonna believe, but my favorite conditioning spray is actually by Affinity. But this one is by Rihanna. Hello. Compared at another store for $45 for this conditioner spray. I believe it. I 100% believe it. Like if you go to Sephora, this will probably be like $50, $60 just for their conditioning spray. So I paid $24.99. In my last video, we tried Wella Blondor Plex toner. It's a cream permanent toner and everyone was asking for me to try it. And it's a 5-minute toner and it actually came out really good. Go in the link down below and I'll post a link there. You guys can watch it. It's like one of their newest out of the 5 shades that they came out with. Second product that I have, it says the rich one. And it's Moisture Repair Shampoo. Seems very bougie and you seem like you get a lot of product in there. I'm all about testing new products and you know, it ends up being my favorite. The only thing is sometimes when you buy stuff from Winners, sometimes they can have dints on them. Like, you know, there's like a little, I don't know if you can see it. There's a little dint there, but you're paying $19.99. Like, come on. I don't care about the dent. And that's what happens when you shop at Winners. Sometimes you can find like perfect condition products and then sometimes you're unlucky and it's like the last one. This was the last one and it has a little dent in it. I love the neutral colors. Like I feel like this green, it's just so pretty and like this like beigey color, like it'll just look bougie in your bathroom, okay? Just sitting there. Just even when they're empty, just have them there. The conditioner and the shampoo are both 300 mils and they're both $19.99. So I couldn't find any information on the back of the shampoo bottle about the product. Like it just says hydrate, replenish, strong strand, start here, and then there's pictures and then it's no English. So I am taking it into my own hands to read online to what it's meant to do and what people have said it does and yada yada, and the ingredients and analyzing it. It's a moisturizing repair shampoo meant to gently cleanse while repairing your hair. I like that, okay? It does have protein in it, and it's clinically tested to repair split ends and reduce breakage. I'm good. I repair split ends? I just don't think, personally, in my own opinion, I'm going to state this, I don't think, in my own opinion, that you can repair split ends unless you are snipping them. I have to say, I don't like that it does have protein in it, because I had a really big protein overload, and I did a lot of digging in the hole for protein overload, and that's why I did a deep detox on my hair a couple months ago. And even doing a bleach bath can also get rid of it, but clarifying shampoos, I love the K18 detox shampoo. That is like my favorite product that I use on my hair every couple of months, just to get rid of all the buildup on my hair, the oil buildup, the dirt buildup, but it's going to remove it in a very gentle way. Your hair does need protein, but in moderation, you know, like not every shampoo use, not every day that you're putting on some kind of repair spray or cream or shampoo conditioner that both have protein in it, and you're using that every day or once a week. Your hair is made up of protein and obviously needs that protein, but in moderation, so you're not overlapping protein over and over and over again, and then your hair just starts not looking the way it's meant to look. The shampoo is sulfate free, so it's more gentle, less stripping than traditional, so that's great. Aims to smooth frizz, improve detangling, and make hair softer. It's a color safe, which is great. So that means that it's not going to strip the color out of your hair like a toner or whatever. If you don't have a gentle shampoo, sometimes it can strip out your color, and this is color safe. It's for all hair types, vegan, gluten-free, cruelty-free, love that. Packaging comes in a recyclable aluminum bottle made from 100% post-consumer recycled PCR aluminum. When you do bleach your hair, it strips out everything. So that would be a good time to use the shampoo, is like after a bleaching, because it has a protein in it. No silicones or no mineral oils in it. Kind of like a honey kind of color. It seems like a really nice consistency while it's going in. And yeah, you do get a lot of product. I did put like a lot of water on my hair. So I have this all, I'm just gonna keep putting it onto my head. It's like I need more product, but it might be because my hair is not really fully saturated. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more, and then I'm gonna go to the washroom and add a little bit more water just to see. I have like really thick hair too. Because this is a gentle shampoo, like I might have to do this 2 times, because I do have like I said, I haven't washed my hair in like 2 weeks. So I most likely need to do this 2 times, because it is like a gentle shampoo. And I like to use a lot of product just because I want to get a really good feel on how the product is and review it. So far I'm liking the shampoo, the way it smells, the way it's lathering. It's very nice, feels like a shampoo. We are going to put the conditioner on after we wash this out, okay? So let's go wash our hair out. Experience with washing it out, it felt really nice. The smell is really nice. I can put my fingers through my hair when I'm, you know, washing the shampoo out. My hair feels more smooth. It definitely feels more hydrated when I was rinsing it out. So we're gonna see. It does feel nice. I can't really tell though, because my hair always feels nice. I'm joking. It doesn't actually feel that tangly, and I haven't brushed my hair in like a hot minute, okay? It's a repairing, hydrating conditioner made to complement the rich one. Is that what this conditioner is? Yeah, the rich one. So these go hand in hand. They're supposed to go together. So they're supposed to complement each other. Clinically tested to repair, strengthen, hydrate, smooth, and protect. Contains green coconut water for lightweight hydration. It has their signature smell, I guess, which is like sandalwood and vanilla. Yeah, I would say it does kind of have like that. That's the kind of smell that I was trying to like figure out what it smells like. It does have like a little bit of like a warm kind of vanilla smell. Now that I'm trying, like reading it online, it does. Oh, this one has a little scuff on it. The conditioner is meant to replenish, repair your hair, hydrate your hair. After shampooing, apply this onto wet hair and your mid shaft and ends and rinse well. $19.99. This one is compared at other stores for $38, which I think it's more than that. I guess I should use the pump, right? A good amount to put onto my hair. It seems like a really creamy conditioner. This feels amazing. We want these split ends gone, you know what I mean? And I haven't washed my hair in a very long time. All the bleachings that I've done, we really need the protein in our hair, honestly. It says on the back, loaded with moisture to defrizz, repair, prevent damage, and split ends. That's the ingredient list. I'm gonna go wash it out now and then I'll be back. I did have a few knots in my hair. I'm not really expecting like the shampoo and conditioner to get rid of like all my knots because like I said, I haven't brushed my hair in a long time. Hydrated my hair. It feels not dry. It feels nice and smooth. So I really like that. The next product is their Reparative leave-in conditioner spray. Nice. Dry hair strands that need hydration, repairs, and detangles. This one is called Water Boy, and it's $24.99, retailed at $45. So it's a leave-in conditioner spray, not a rinse out, made to hydrate, smooth, detangle, and refresh. Designed for all hair types, textures, including extensions, wigs, and locks. It hydrates, smooths, and protects and strengthens. It's a lightweight formula. It has that same kind of vanilla sandalwood candle smell like all the other ones. So that's exciting. How often do you use this? You can use it as often as you desire with hydration and refreshing the strands of your hair. It doesn't leave the hair behind residue. It doesn't weigh down the hair. It doesn't feel coated, which is a very important thing. A lot of conditioner sprays tend to make the hair feel really heavy and stiff and yucky. Wow. Okay. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Wow, and you don't even need that much. Like, it is already, like, watch the spray. It really does coat the hair. Wow. Smoothing my hair out, like making my hair feel really good. This feels so smooth and soft instantly after applying it. So the reviews of people saying instantly, it's true. It really is true. Like my hair feels like I have some kind of like silk in it. Like, you know that like feeling where you put like a really good like conditioner in your hair and it just glides right through your fingers? Like my hair feels so smooth and soft. I'll be back. It has transformed my hair from being really dry and disgusting into movable hair. It feels very soft. It feels hydrated. You can even see like the shine in my hair. Like, I don't even know if the camera is going to pick it up, but you see there's like a shine in my hair. All I did to my hair right now, obviously I don't have any product in my hair except the Fenty Beauty, and then I dried my hair with a hairdryer. So you're getting the full effect of using the Fenty Hair. But I guarantee you, if me styling this hair with like a straightener or a curler, oh my gosh, my hair is gonna look chef's kiss, okay? It even looks like chef's kiss, just like naturally its regular state here. Fenty Hair is totally worth the price. the everything. The experience is wonderful. My smell of my hair, quality of my hair is beautiful. 10 out of 10 out of all the products. I give it a 10 out of 10. DieHardBarbiie approves, especially the leave-in spray. This is probably the best leave-in spray I have ever used on my head. It is called their Reparative Leave-In Conditioner Spray, and it's the Fenty Hair, the Water Boy, okay? This is worth every cent. Even as well, the shampoo and conditioner, 10 out of 10. I think it's worth the money. I think it works great. It's very effective. It's a gentle cleanser. Even if you have a lot of buildup and oil on your hair, it still gently cleanses my hair, and just it speaks for itself. The product speaks for itself, just it being on my head. It's definitely, for myself, a very luxury item using Fenty Hair, and I'm so happy that I got to try it because it is, like I said, like one of the hot things out there right now is the Fenty Hair products. Just like all of her makeup, like the Fenty Beauty makeup, it's like the hot, like #1 sales in like Sephora here. I highly recommend it, and if you are on a budget and you can only afford one, I would recommend the conditioner spray. Amazing, 10 out of 10. Just you looking at my hair right now, doesn't it look soft? You wouldn't believe that I did a bleach bath a week ago. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like because it really helps the channel, and I hope to see you guys in my next freaking video. Bye guys.